When we press S key, the tools appears near to arrow. In this way we can easily click on required tool and speed up modeling process. This S key shortcut available in all form, sketching, part and assembly. The tools listed on the S key dialog box may be customized. You can choose your customized tools for your SolidWorks. To activate the S key, press the S key on the keyboard. The S key toolbar will appear. Click the desired tool. In this example, the circle tool was activated. To customize the S key shortcut toolbar, press the S key on the keyboard. Right-click the S key toolbar. Click the Customize. The Customize dialog box will appear. Select the Sketch Shortcut toolbar by clicking the Sketch Shortcuts box at the top of the toolbar. Select the tool to be added and click from the Buttons box, and drag the tool's icon from the Buttons box to the Sketch Shortcuts box, the S key box, and release the mouse button. Click OK. The tool icon will appear in the box. You can remove a tool from the S key box. Click and drag the selected tool out and away from the box. Release the mouse button. Click OK. To watch our more videos, subscribe our channel and press bell icon. If you like this video, press like button and share to your friends. Here you can learn SolidWorks from beginning to expert level as much short time as possible. Thanks for watching.